The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and civil authorities. Reports of rioting at several movie theaters around the United States have been flooding in. The reason for these riots are unknown at this time. At this time, you are being asked to remain at home and lock all of your doors. Do not let anyone into your home. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all updates regarding this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and civil authorities. This is an update in regards of the rioting situation all around the United States. The reason people are rioting at movie theaters and around the cities is due to all the tickets for It, Chapter 2, being sold out. Also, reports come in that people with clown masks have been spotted. These masked individuals are speculated to be It, Chapter 2, rioters. Remain in your homes until further notice. Do not go outside or see a movie for any reason. You will put your life at risk. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all further updates in regards to this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and civil authorities. The rioters from before are starting to harm people who have seen It, Chapter 2, while they were exiting the theater to go home. These rioters have caused about 1,000 deaths nationwide. The rioters around the United States are assumed to be dangerous. Rioters in Maryland were last seen walking down Route 50. Everyone in the United States is being asked to remain in your homes as rioters in other states might be traveling as well. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and civil authorities. The rioters from before are breaking into homes and killing people who got to see the movie It, Chapter 2. Some rioters began to eat the flesh of their victims and screaming a sacrifice to Lord Pennywise. These rioters have now seemed to go insane. Police are attempting to apprehend these violent individuals. Please remain indoors at this time. Do not go outside for any reason. Doing so will put your life at risk. Please stay tuned to this station for any and all further updates regarding this dangerous situation. All clear. Repeating, all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and civil authorities. All rioters in the United States have been either arrested or killed by police and/or the FBI. It is now safe to exit your shelters. The death toll has risen by at least somewhere in the thousands. This was an unfortunate situation, people just wanting to see a movie that sold out of tickets. At least the situation is over. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. The emergency alert system has been deactivated.
Hey, what is up guys? It's Shax_Minecraft, and this is just a little announcement just to say, do not riot when going to see a Chapter 2 and the tickets sell out for whatever reason. You will actually get arrested for that, and I do not advise you taking any of the actions you hear in this video. This is only a fictional scenario. It is not to be taken seriously. This is all just for entertainment purposes. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.